So we got BMW X1 2019, and the problem that it came, it was the angel eyes not working on the right side. Full LED headlight, and to reach the problem you have to remove first the wheel, and after that the inner fender. You have these 8mm bolts for it, and two 10mm plastic caps, and also a lot of clips. And for them to take out, you will have to push the middle pin on the inside, and I suggest you to use something flat and a small hammer, because it's not that easy to push it on the inside. So after you do that, you will end up finding a small piece in the back of the headlight on the side that comes exactly like this here. A little bit crowded. You need to jiggle left, right to get it out, because you have this screw here that stands on your way a little bit. At least it's easy to take the connector out. You just have to push this clamp here in the middle, push it on the inside, and you can just pull it off. You have two screws, left and right. Both are T20 Torx. Okay. And just pull it out. This one you can see what's the problem with it. Burned LED on the main board, but that's not the only problem. I'm gonna show you. First, this is the new part that came from BMW. So I think this one is the one starting with 51173944222. And you find inside this module here that we need, and also the other one on the top of the headlight. You cannot order them from BMW like one piece. I need this one, I ordered this one, or the other one. You have to buy them together. Yeah, and it's about 120, 130 euro, something like that. Okay, that's not my biggest problem with this. The problem that I have is that LED burned, and also I'm gonna try to focus a little bit there if I can. It's pretty crowded, but we'll see. Okay, there you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. You can see also that plastic that goes from the LED to the angel eyes. See, like it's on the right, clear, perfect, but there on the left, it's also burned, and it's pretty bad. I took off the burned part of it, tried to clean it as best as I could. I'm still having a little bit there on the side to clean, and after that I'm just gonna try, now you can see better I think, try to show you also. I use this to clean the inside of it. It's only this edge that it's still burned on the side. Anyway, okay, not too happy with it. You can see still has a little bit of green, yellow tint. This is crystal white. This is a little bit too yellow, let's say. The problem was not on that filling that I used. The problem was also the remaining piece of plastic from the tube was also yellowish because of the heat from the LED. So no matter what I'm using there, it's still gonna have that yellow tint on the light. I just ended up putting some clear coat on the end of the plastic tube and fitting back the LED module. Not happy. But I also don't have any other solution, since you cannot take any part out from the headlight, so you can replace the piece of plastic that's inside. You cannot do pretty much nothing. You cannot go deeper by cutting, because you won't be able to redo it. Anyway, I don't have any other piece of plastic tube to put there inside, but probably it's a couple centimeters inside, also yellow, and that's it for me. It works. It's not perfect, but I cannot do anything else to make it in the new condition. So otherwise than buying a new headlight, that's the best thing to do for it. You might be lucky. Perhaps if you have this problem, your LED, it's just dead, it's not working anymore. But this one made a lot of heat here, and the plastic tube that comes on the top of it was burned too deep, so I can have that clear white light here in the front. Yeah, just an expensive piece. I still have the other one, the top part that came in the packet with it. God knows if we're gonna use it again in the future. Anyway, this one, it's a lot easier to work on, a lot easier to replace. Like I told you, also, this piece, only to replace it, you don't actually need to take off the inner fender. Yeah, you just need to remove the front bolts, the clips here on the side. You also have, you can get there in the back, you also have a plastic clip, and you have again 4 more screws here at the bottom, 3 on the side, and another one that goes to the center of the car. You just take them off and you will be able to slide it out here and move it in the back. You're gonna have enough access to take it out and put the new one in. But that was not my case. Good luck with yours. Hope it's not a generic problem with this LED to get burned like this and damage also the inside of the headlight. See you next time. Bye now.